Hey, what's going on, guys? Troy at Mountain Man Treasure here. The kid's got about, I don't know, 20-some minutes before we have to get her to practice for dance. She just got her real ID so she can open a bank account.
It's not a real ID.
Oh, yeah, that's right. It's a regular ID.
It makes you look like
because
a drug dealer.
they need a 15-year-old that has multiple forms of identification to prove her address. What does she get? The lady's like, does she have any junk mail?
Twice.
I know.
I have the one.
So, anyway, that's a long intro. We got 20 minutes. We're going to go to Goodwill. What do you got?
I kind of want it.
You do?
It's a refillable hand soap, but it's a pineapple with Christmas lights on it.
How much is it?
$2.
Well, you have 74 cents.
76 cents.
Oh.
Sir.
All right, well.
I'm sure I have more coins.
We'll see. That is heavy. Yeesh. I don't think those are anything. The Christmas stuff has been very lacking. Disappointing.
That's what a bride was.
Well, it's a little bit scratched. They want $2 for it. It'll sell for at least 6 plus shipping. Actually, some sell higher in good condition, like 14, 15 bucks. The sell through on this is really, really high. So if you get this one for cheap, it's a winner. For us, it's going back. Need a Santa hat? You're more of an elf hat kind of kid anyway. Trout Unlimited is decent, but what is this one? Pyramid Breweries. Price is getting out of control again. $5.99. This is maybe a $15 hat eventually. Yeesh. North Face hat. $6 for that one too. Dirty. And it's a flex fit. Alright, so we don't have time to flip through, or frankly the desire to flip through, and I've talked about this before, but go and look at the sleeves. Just look for the sleeves. All I'm looking for right now is vintage. And the vintage I want is going to be single stitch. See how there's 2 lines of stitching here? That's not what we want. We want a single. So we'll see if we can find one here and show you what that looks like. I mean, there's a single line, but that's not what we're looking for. Okay guys, here's one right here. So you're just looking at the sleeves, you know that this one's gonna be likely a vintage shirt. So now it's just looking at what it is. It's on an old jerseys tag. Made in the USA, XL. Shoulda. I don't know, I think we'll leave it. But it is a vintage tag. There's an old Adidas trefoil. Made in Pakistan. That's beat up. Oh, mistletoe hung where you can see somebody's fire. What you got? Wow, that's something. Huh? I don't know. How much is that?
$9.99.
$9.99. I don't think so for that. These prices are crazy. That's cool though. You're right that it's cool, but not for that price.
$9 and all the big ones are $2.99.
Wonderful Christmas time. A pterodactyl. He gotcha. What do we got here? Mini mate, but that's pretty rough. That was gonna be worth a few bucks, but they're probably asking a ton for it. Judging by what they're asking for everything else. Don't see any pickle keepers. And Mom and Dad can hardly wait for school to start again. Hey, that's mean. Did you hit me?
No, I don't know what you're talking about. Just looking at that. Is that...
Oh, look at that. That's cool. We need that. Man, I just keep cruising these shelves thinking something is going to be there. But right now, that's not been the case. Might be a strikeout.
I don't know, I got a pineapple soap dispenser.
You do have a soap dispenser, I guess.
Pineapple soap dispenser with Christmas lights on it.
You can't even afford it.
I'm sure I have enough coins.
I don't know. It's made in the USA, McDonald's. I don't know. But Elizabeth likes this guy. Look at that. $10 though. They're asking $10 on a lot of stuff lately. No Starbucks mugs, did you look?
There were a couple IHOP.
There's the New Mexico Lobos. Yeah, IHOP mugs, that's different. Restaurant mugs sometimes. We've sold some restaurant mugs. Never IHOP. I'll never look for those. Okay, guys, we are home now. I actually, we had to bail on the line. There was something happening. It wasn't moving, and I had to get the kid to practice. So we stashed our stuff in a corner, left, took her to practice. I went back, picked it up, and while I was cruising back there to get it, I actually found a couple other things. So I think we did okay. Not great, but we got a couple of winners. Let's take a look at them. So for a while, it looked like all we were going to find was this. This just for the mountain kid. She likes pineapples, and she wanted a pineapple holiday soap dispenser. So that was $2. We actually got out of there for $20 and rounded up. So we're looking at 18 for the stuff that we picked up. So take that out of the equation. This I actually found on the way out, and I thought it was a hoot. Yeah. Nobody's perfect. This is an old, somebody went and stitched this in there, Maybe it was a plastic grandma cover on it, like on the couches. I don't know, but I thought it was cool. I think I might take it out of the frame. Cappy Original Limited, 1977. So there you go. We can date it, which is nice. So I might take it out of the frame, but I don't know. In terms of what the value is, I have no idea, but I thought Jesse Shops would have told me to pick it up. So I picked it up. I found these boots as well. These are Bates. Let me show you. There we go, right there, Bates. These are just combat boots, and these sell pretty well. Now, sometimes they take a little while. But I've sold every pair of these that I've ever picked up, and usually I only pick them up if they're in very good condition. And this one, it's kind of weird. They wrote in it, so these are issue. So somebody was issued these boots and put their name in it, and then as far as I can tell, never wore them. I mean, these are brand new. There is absolutely no wear on the bottom of these. There is not a bit of wear. So these are new other, I guess. There's a scuff there, unfortunately. So I'm not going to get as much out of them as I would otherwise. Now, if you can get these new with tags, you're looking at $70-$80 potentially. you know, in this condition, I think I can get $40 plus shipping. I paid $9.99. You know, well, it's on the other one, but I do well with these, and these are size 9, so pretty decent size. So we did grab those. I got this just on a hunch. McDonald's, I'm loving it. This is an old, made in the USA vintage for your car, for your coffee holder there in the car. So I don't know. It could be a $9.99 plus shipping thing. No idea. It's vintage McDonald's, and so I took a shot. I'm gonna have to look that up. And then we've got 2 of these, both in the same condition, no chips, cracks, anything like that. I've done okay with selling diner cups before from various restaurants, so picked them up. I think, you know, you could sell these as a set, but I think I'll do better selling them individually. And, you know, somebody that has fond memories of IHOP, really enjoys IHOP, whatever it is, they might want to put one of these in their coffee cupboard. So these, my guess is, are about 10 or 12 bucks plus shipping a piece. So there's the pickups. Like I said, nothing fantastic, but it was fun going with the kid for a little bit, and we found a couple things. So thanks for riding along with us, guys. I sure appreciate it. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, comment on your way out, and we'll see you next time.